Welcome back everyone. So in this lecture, we will now modify the home page. So in the last lecture, we have created the prompt for the home page. So I will simply copy the prompt and we need the navbar, home, marketplace, categories. And let us go to this one once again. We don't need the categories, all right? So here we will be omitting the categories, login and sign up. We need that CTA button. On the navbar, we don't want the explore products. Instead, we can do one thing. We can create two pages, one for codes and the one for courses. Okay, courses and codes, not in one place itself. Next, in the hero, build, learn, and launch. Then subheading, we can see the subheading, then featured sections. Featured product section. Okay, so categories section, browse by category. All right, so we need to do some modification. Let us copy the prompt, homepage structure, and we will paste it here till the footer. All right, and we will be pasting it here. In the navbar, I want Webotep logo, then links, home, courses, codes, maybe support, then login, register. All right, we don't need the explore button. The hero section is perfectly all right. Then we will go to featured products. So featured products, so 6 to 8 product cards horizontally, carousel, horizontal carousel I need. And here I need only products. Okay. Few details. I will copy it. And then we need featured courses. Okay. Only courses. So I want to show the courses at first and then the products. Featured products, which is the number 4. And then we don't need the categories. We don't need the categories. We will be removing it from here. Why we type lab? Okay, rest is good. We will now copy it and we will paste it here. Okay, we will then go to Cloud Sonnet 4.6. We will choose the model, LLM model, Cloud Sonnet 4.6. And then we have asked to, okay, let us do one thing. Let us create a new chat here. And I will paste the prompt over here. And it will give me the revised prompt. Build a modern, high converting SaaS homepage. Everything is now fine. Technical requirement. Okay. And then I will go here. Design, redesign the homepage. And then I will hit the enter button. We will now go to client and then source and then pages. And here I will see the page is called home. And in this page, we have to do the LLM model will do a lot of new revisions. Let us wait and watch. Okay, so for the home page only, we will be using the model sonnet, but for the inner pages like about us or maybe FAQ, we can directly use the model called Gemini 3.0 Flash because okay. Okay, so this is because the capability of the model Sonnet is very, very high. But for designing the inner pages, it just have to copy the code from the home page, the design concept from the home page, and then paste it inside our inner pages. So it stopped. I will simply type run. Okay, so I don't have to click it. It is doing the job, but there is some delay while I can see the output over here on the chat window. So it is basically now editing the index.css. Let me go over the front end and let us reload it once again. So till now, we don't see any changes. Let us simply wait and watch. We can see some changes on the nav bar. We can see the home, courses, codes, and support. Later on, we can add some more options over here, I think. But for the time being, we don't need more options over here. Let it be very, very simple. So why React and Node? Why not PHP or Laravel? This is simply because if we create a project using React and Node, the project is highly scalable, plus the loading time is very, very good. The entire project loads within a fraction of a second, but if we use Laravel or maybe simple core PHP, in that case, it takes around 2 to 3 seconds for every page to load. Okay, so we can see the dashboard as an empty page. Okay, so it edited all the sections. Okay, so all the sections we can see inside the components. And now it will finally update the home page. I think it will take some more time. We'll have to just wait and watch. All right, so this is the final home page, which is very, very beautiful. Just I am not liking the logo part. And here the admin is also not looking that good. Okay, let us scroll down. Facet courses, perfect. Then Facet products, which is also perfect. Why Webotep, it is also very, very good. Then what developers say, I just have to do a little bit change over here. Start building today. And the footer is also very perfect. So let us now quickly design the logo section. Okay, let me close this one. I will also stop the agent. I'll simply stop the agent. And now I will tell improve the logo. Next, we have to improve the button called admin, improve the busy color and font color of the button on nav called admin. Next, we will go down. For testimonial, fonts are not clearly visible. Let us hit the enter button. Now, till it completes the changes, we will now simply check the website on our mobile app, sorry, on the mobile layout. Let us simply check how it looks on the mobile. Yes, it is looking perfect. Okay, we can even improve this section, ready to use code. And we have already gave the prompt to improve this section, start building today. Okay, now everything is just fine. The only thing that is left is the logo and this section. Okay, it corrected the nav bar, but still we can see that it is not properly aligned. So the admin button on nav bar, make it whole neon green with black font. Okay, we will again go down, and what developers say, let us simply reload it and check how it looks. But we can see still we are not getting any differences here. Even here, the only admin name is highlighted with the green color. So let me change the model to Gemini Flash for the, or we can even go to navbar. Okay, we can go to navbar and then we will search admin on navbar. We have to search admin and we will select it. For the button, give whole div a color. We want to give the color to the whole div of this button, for this rounded button, not just for this section. Okay, we will go down and check the testimonial. Here we can give black color. For testimonial, give black color. Let us accept the name bar. Yes, now we can see it is fully green color, but the name admin, below the admin, we can see the highlighted color. So let us now go here. And this one, BG black, we will simply remove the BG black. Let us save it. Okay, it has been done. And class name font black. Text, we will write black. Done. It is now looking perfect. Okay, and let us now give a black color to the testimonial section. So in order to save the time, I am directly going to the section where we can check the codes, and I gave the prompt directly over here. I just make the changes from the neon green. We just pasted the black color and we remove the black color background. All right. Still we can see green color. So we have to tell it again. Make this text black. So we are almost done with the home page. Give pure black. It is just darkening the font. So I just want to use the pure black. Let us see how it looks. but we can see the changes not seen. Yes, it happens sometimes. T-shirt products. Let us also see it on mobile. Yes, it is looking good. Now we have to go to NeonDB and let us close this one, and we will go to tables. Inside the NeonDB, I can't see any table over here. Okay, so I can see categories, products, orders. All right, so here I will now tell let us close it completely and we will check it from here. We will take a screenshot and we will paste it over here, or let the browser take the screenshot itself. Or maybe we can stop it, stop this one as well. See photo and give black color. Yes, now I can see the font has been corrected as black. It is also looking good. And we will ask add the previous background BG color. Previously, what we have used as the BG color, we want it to come right now. Otherwise, it is looking very basic. Okay, next, we will have to create some categories. Okay, and then we will go to products and update some products so that we can see it on the home page. Let us go to the home page now. Yes, now we can see some green color. Okay, so for the time being, let us keep it in the same way, and we will add some courses and then some products, and then let us check how it is looking. All right, so in the next lecture, we will at first add some product and we will check it over here how it is looking. All right, then, thank you. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you, everyone.